Welcome to the material session of Bhopal Sir's Career Point. This is a video for the student of class 11 on Unit 1. The name of the unit is Basic Concept in Chemistry. This is the part 2 video of this unit covering the topics laws of chemical combinations. Laws of chemical combination अंडर में लास्ट वीडियो रे पढ़ी थिलु law of conservation of mass. एबे second law of chemical combination is law of constant or definite proportion कथा ए वीडियो रे पढ़िबा. So, what is law of chemical combination? There are 5 laws of chemical combinations, such as law of conservation of mass, जेटा में last video रे पढ़ी थिलु, law of constant or definite proportion, law of multiple proportion, law of reciprocal proportion, and law of gaseous volume, that is Gay-Lussac's law. Out of these, first 4 deal with the combination of substances by mass, and fifth one deals with the combination of gases by volume. आमे लास्ट वीडियो रे लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन मास कथा पढ़ी थिलु. एबे यार सेकंड बीट अर्थात लॉ ऑफ कांस्टेंट और डेफिनेट प्रोपोर्शन रो कथा पढ़िबा. व्हाट इज द स्टेटमेंट? इट मे बी स्टेटेड एज follows. A chemical compound always consists of the same elements combined together in a definite proportion by mass. गोटे केमिकल कंपाउंड सब बेले समान एलिमेंट को गोटे डेफिनेट प्रोपोर्शन ले कंटेन करिता. आम एक्सप्लेनेशन को और इलस्ट्रेशन को जीवा. इट कैन बी इलस्ट्रेटेड बाय द फॉलोइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट. लेट अस टेक वाटर फ्रॉम वेरियस सोर्सेस लाइक रिवर, पॉन्ड, वेल, सी, स्प्रिंग और रेनफॉल. आम विभिन्न सोर्स रो वाटर को नबा ऑन केमिकल एनालिसिस. आम द केमिकल एनालिसिस करिबा. इट इज फाउंड दैट irrespective of the nature of the source, water always consists of the same elements. क्यों source आसिता पर depend कर बना. It may be taken from river, it may be taken from pond, it may be taken from rainfall, etc. Irrespective of the source, it always consists of same elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. सब बड़े यहाँ पर 2 element ही था which combines together in a fixed ratio of 1:8 by mass और 2:1 by volume. वॉल्यूम अनुजाई 2:1, 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम गोटे ऑक्सीजन एटम और मास अनुजाई 1:8 रे से माने कंबाइन है वाटर मॉलिक्यूल तैयारी करता है. लेट अस कंपेयर ए प्रॉब्लम इन 2 experiments. 0.259 gram and 0.209 gram lead were converted into 0.347 gram and 0.28 gram lead chloride respectively, so that this data illustrate the law of constant composition. कौन पहला दुईटा एक्सपेरिमेंट रे गोटे एक्सपेरिमेंट रे कौन है 0.059 ग्राम ऑफ लेड कन्वर्टेड है 0.347 ग्राम ऑफ लेड क्लोराइड को. आउ गोटे एक्सपेरिमेंट रे 0.209 ग्राम ऑफ लेड कन्वर्टेड है 0.28 ग्राम ऑफ लेड क्लोराइड. सी कहूँ एबे इलस्ट्रेट करी बुझाओ. These are in accordance with law of constant or definite composition or proportion. In experiment 1, weight of lead chloride is 0.347 gram, while in case of experiment 2, it is 0.28 gram. Weight of lead in experiment 1 is 0.259 gram, while in case of experiment 2, it is 0.209 gram. So, weight of chlorine in experiment 1 is 0.347 gram minus 0.259 gram is equal to 0.088 gram. But in case of experiment 2, the weight of chlorine is calculated to be 0.071 gram. The ratio of weights of lead and chlorine in experiment 1 is 0.259 is to 0.088, which is equal to 259 is to 88. वर्तमान आम गोटे सिंपल रेशियो को नवा बोथ फैक्टर को 88 रे डिवाइड कर दे. इट शुड बी कैलकुलेटेड टू 2.94 is to 1. Similarly, the ratio of weight of lead and chlorine in case of experiment 2 is calculated to be 2.94 is to 1. Thus, from the above calculation, it has been found that the ratio remains same. Since the ratio of lead and chlorine in both the experiment is same, that is 2.94 is to 1, the law of constant composition or proportion is true for this experiment. Practice problem for you. 1.37 gram of cupric oxide was reduced by heating it in a current of hydrogen, and the mass of copper produced was 1.098 gram. In another experiment, 1.17 gram of copper was dissolved in nitric acid, and the resulting copper nitrate on heating was converted into its oxide. The weight of copper oxide produced was 1.476 gram. So that these results illustrate the law of constant or definite proportion. Thanks for watching Bhopal Sir's Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time.